Oh, I'm fucking trapped.
I know people work. Scared of little kid.
I can check all the armor if you like.
That's a hawk we scoop in your
Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
We gotta go.
What do you like for movies?
I ain't playing. I don't think I watch movies.
How about Bucky Larson?
What's Bucky Larson?
It's a comedy with the guy from My Now Astonishing Chuck and Larry. I can't remember his name.
Doug Heffernan.
I think so. I think that's his name. I'm sure where it is. I heard it was funny.
I'll have to look at it.
Yeah, you kind of look like him right now too, actually.
You in front of me?
No, never.
Girl.
Never.
VHS. You need it on VHS.
Nick Swartzen, I'm sorry.
Would you look at that? Would you look at that? His shirt says Bucky on it.
It does. It says
Would you
Bucky.
just look at it?
I look at it.
He doesn't. He looks just like me.
Yeah, that's what I said, right?
And some better teeth though. And just stop brushing.
I like
Some more
yours better.
candy.
No.
Would you look at that? Just look at it. You know what I do when I see something like this? I just look at it.
You just look at
I
it,
just
and that's
look
it?
at it. Yeah.
Admire it.
Yeah. You don't have this VHS. I don't even know what this is. Too small. This won't fit in there.
Are you sure? No.
Do you guys don't have VHS anymore? What happened to this world? I stayed in the woods
They
for 20
upgraded.
years to come out and friggin' no VHS.
You know you can buy a DVD player for about
I got 10
$20.
bucks. I got 10.
You got $10.
You made out of 10?
You can get a couple of those movies for $10, but you don't have a
Really?
DVD player to play them in, so you only have
No.
VHS.
Jeez. Man. Oh, look at them ladies. Is that a porno? Man.
No, it's not. Although you can mistake it with that, I'm assuming.
Is it right there?
Oh, right here.
Right there?
Yep, right there. You got it. There you go.
Well,
Thanks.
well, nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet
Thank you
you.
for the help.
Very
We're going to be
welcome.
put on YouTube if you don't mind.
Are you really putting me on YouTube? Yeah, that's fine. That's great. That's awesome. I had no idea. I'm like, why the heck is he holding it like that? I'm like, what the hell's going on?
Yeah, we're just.
That's awesome.